Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accurate. 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 Accurate is an adjective that describes the quality of being precise, correct, or free from errors. It is often used to describe information, measurements, or actions that are exact and reliable. Here are some examples. Example number 1. A high-quality ruler is essential for accurate measurements in carpentry. Why accurate is used in example number 1. In carpentry, accurate measurements are vital for precise construction and quality work. Example number 2. Scholars strive for accurate citations and references to support their research. Why accurate is used in example number 2. In academia, accurate citations and references lend credibility to research and support its validity. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.